Oh, these are too cool too. This is part 2 of the video. I'm making a severe thunderstorm that's in New York City on August 7th, 2018. It's approximately 7:40 in the evening right now. And for those of you who haven't seen the first part, go check it out. So the storm's lighting up a bit now compared to a few minutes ago. What I didn't catch is when it was coming down with just heavy amount of rain, heavy downburst. I haven't seen this in such a long time. And it spooked me a bit because 2 days ago, if you guys didn't notice, if you guys didn't see, wow, yeah, that's right. Queens had a tornado warning, so they dropped it around 10 p.m. that night. Even caught the National Weather Service off guard. I didn't expect the cell to get that strong. And it was a bit too late because the tornado was already on the ground, traveled for about 10 blocks. So yeah, I get down here. There's so much wind and rain, and just downbursts come through. I swear, I ran out here for a second to go trash it. I got soaked in a second. I'm gonna try to run over there to see how. See if I cannot get soaked along with the camera. Alright, this is not my camera. I'll try. Alright, that's good enough. Maybe just to knock it actually. I don't want to get this camera wet. There, you see that orange tint in the sky? I see the sun reflecting off there. So the sun is low enough now that it's that I can't see it in the buildings, but it's out. So the storm is passing, making its way through. I'm just getting so standing here. Oh. I'm gonna run back in. Such a huge puddle there. I swear, right at these moments of lightning strikes, I look away for a second with the camera. Wish I had 2 cameras. There's a train going by. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Not sure how long this cell is going to be. I tried looking up any warnings for the storm. There's no warnings at all. Which is again surprising. Nothing about the storm. You know, generally if there is, I usually take consideration when I'm going to make a video. There was nothing. I knew it was going to rain. But I don't know, that was pretty surprising. There's no warnings. If there's heat advisory, that's it. So. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube. Check out more videos right here on my channel. Please rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Ooh, good way to end the video if you guys saw that.